Should I do a whole story just wearing this mask and pretend like I'm part of the gang? Well, you're only supposed to wear the mask if you have it, right? So I shouldn't wear the mask. This is the only place you want to get your hair matted. Okay guys, it's day 111 of teach you how to do your girlfriend's hair, and today we're going to teach you how to touch up with a curling iron so that you don't burn their face, because I've done that. Not to her, but I have done that. Hi Nina.
Let's roll that intro.
Okay. Okay, so I think what's really key about teaching you this is A, noticing if your girlfriend has missed a piece, or B, I know a lot of times Laura, when she does her hair, she'll ask me. She'll be like, well, what will you say, babe? You can ask. You can say it.
I'll just ask you if I missed a piece.
And what she means by that, guys, is after she's done curling her hair, there is like, you know, opportunity for error. So sometimes she'll like curl a piece and then miss a piece. So that's when we can come in and be like, oh, darling, you missed a piece. And now I'm gonna teach you how to like touch that up. So when you have their curling iron, it's very, very, very simple, dudes. It's not like you gotta do anything fancy. Literally just take the hair and wrap it around this iron. And most of the time, that's gonna be enough. Like I literally just wrap it around. And most of the time, that's gonna be enough for a touch-up. Again, I'm not teaching you guys how to style your girlfriend's hair so she's ready to like go get Instagram bangers. I basically want you to be able to A, notice when there's like, oh, there's like a piece that's not curly, and B, how to help them do that. Because sometimes the back of the head is tricky. It's really hard. That's why you go to a hairdresser. That's why girls love going to get blowouts, because they can get the back of their hair done and not have to like worry about it. So all curling irons are different. This one has got like an actual clamp on it, like a curling iron. Some don't, some are just a wand, and some are professionals that have like a whole other contraption that I'm not gonna get into because your girlfriend's not gonna have those. But yeah, all you really need to do is just take the hair and wrap it around the iron. And you don't get too close to the head, and you don't do the ends, because that's just not very modern right now. If we get into trends with root lifts and curly flippy ends, I'll have to bring you another video. But right now, we're more into this like cool girl falling out wave situation where it's just like this neither here nor there bend. And it's very simple, guys. Turn the curling iron down if you need to at first. Don't get the curling iron anywhere near her face. Don't grab the end of it. I've done that before. Believe me, I've like thrown it from one hand to another and for some reason like grabbed the heat. And yeah, pretty much there's more don'ts than do's when you deal with a curling iron. So do have fun. Do try to come in here and create some fun waves. But other than that, like you see how far away I am from her face. So keep it far away, keep the end far away. Don't burn yourself, don't burn her. Yeah, just have some fun doing some like cool little messy waves. I mean, that's all you really need it to do. Is just have a little bend. Because let's face it, she's not going out and seeing anybody anyway.
And on that note, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. Is this weird? Is this weird? Is this weird? Is this weird?